Hi guys, and welcome to this other video. So in this other video we are going to see how to download and import FortiGate appliances on GNS3. So we are going to see the default devices that are available in the GNS3. We are also going to see how to download and import the FortiGate appliances, download and import the Webterm appliance, and also add a virtual machine from VMware workstation to GNS3. So let's go directly to the FortiGate website. So to download the GNS3 appliances, to download the FortiGate GNS3 appliances for GNS3, you need to have a FortiCloud account. So cloud account. So once connected to your account, all you need to do is to come here on the support menu here. So you select VM images. So from when you select the VM images, you will land on this interface where you can download the latest versions. So the latest appliances for FortiGate for version 7.6 and version 7.4, or you can also download the versions for 7.6, 7.4, 7.2. So what is you need to take in consideration here is that on this interface you have FortiGate appliances for multiple platforms. So from here, first here, what you need to do is select the product. The product you are selecting here is the FortiGate, because apart of the FortiGate, you can select FortiADC, Analyzer, Manager, or Web. So what we need here is the FortiGate appliance. And for which platform are we selecting this? So we are selecting this for our KVM, kernel virtual kernel virtual machine, I think so. So here the kernel virtual machine is like the platform that Linux uses to deploy its environment. So as GNS3 is an open source software that is based on Linux, so what we are downloading here, it is KVM. We are downloading the appliances for the KVM platform. So if on your lab environment, if you are instead using like Hyper-V, so you instead select Hyper-V. If you are using like VMware EXI, you instead select it here. If you are using like VirtualBox, you instead take here like Oracle. You take Oracle and download the FortiGate appliance for Oracle. So we take the KVM here. So on the KVM, you can download the version for 7.6.3 or the 7.4.7. So let's check, or let's go on the earlier version. Let's take a version for, let's download the 7.2.11 version. So I'll just come here. So from here, what I'm looking for is not the upgrade version. I'm looking a new deployment version. So you need to pay attention on this. So in this interface, you have like upgrades. So if you're already having a version that is running on your lab environment and you need to upgrade, you can just simply download this upgrade version and upload it on the running version that you have actually on your lab. Or if you are looking for a new installation, here we are going to take the new deployment. So what we are looking here is the KVM. We are already looking for as we mentioned previously, we are looking for the KVM deployment. So we just take this one. So the download is actually going on. So after this downloads, I think we need to unzip, because the file is a zip file. So what we need to do after this is to unzip this file. So you go to the folder here. So from here, what I need to do is to extract. So I'll extract all. Okay, so I have, so this is the appliance, the FortiOS appliance that we have actually downloaded for the version 7.2.11. So after we have downloaded the appliance, what we need to do now is to go under on GNS3 to upload this file. So on GNS, where we go is under devices. So here on this menu where we have all devices, we just go here below, then take new template.
So new template, they will say install an appliance on the GNS3 server. So this is the recommended, this is the best practice that are recommended. So we select this one. So we'll go next. Here, what are we trying to import? Is it a firewall? Is it a guest appliance? Is it a router or a switch? So we go under firewalls. So from here, take note that most of the time when you make the deployment, you install the GNS3 for the first time, you will not have these icons for FortiGate. So most of the time, what you need to do here is to update from online registry so that the devices will upload the icons of each brand here directly. So what we want to upload here is a FortiGate device. So I'll select FortiGate, I do install. So from here, we are installing the appliance on the GNS3 VM. This is the recommended version. Say yes, next. So from here, the KMU binary, most of the time you just leave this value to its default setting. So we'll keep it like this, then we'll say next. So from here, what is happening is GNS3 is looking at all the GNS3 FortiGate appliances that are actually available on GNS3 on these GNS3 versions. So what we have here is FortiGate version 742. 747. If we go down, we start at 5.2. So what we are looking here is, do we already have version 7.2.11? I guess this what we downloaded was 7.2.11. So we are looking for, do we have 7.2.11 here? 7.2.1, 7.2.1 here, and 7.2.3. So we don't have 7.2.11. So what we need to do here, for example, is we can create a new version. So we say create new version, we call it 7.2.11. So we say okay. So we need to check this file because by default, when you create a new version, there's a default file that is uploaded to the on the appliance that you just create. So we need to check. Most of the time, you need to check to see if the version that is actually uploaded is what you required. So from here, what we want is 7.2.11. So I'll just put here 11. Then I say okay. Then say okay as well. So we'll let the scanning perform. So the scanning is checking in the GNS3 directories to see if there is an available file for 7.2.11. So here below we have our 7.2.11 here that we have created. We need to upload this file. So this 7.2.11, we need to replace this by the file that we downloaded earlier. So I'll go on import. So I go under my workstation under desktop. Where is that 40? Here it is. Okay, from here I'll select. So you see this is the 7.2.11. So I'll select this file. I'll say open. So I'll let the file upload here. So when this is completed, okay, so when this is completed, you see that here these two files are already have been found. So GNS3 has complied with these two files, and now the state of this version that we have created 7.2.11 is set as ready to install. So now what I need to do is just select select this file, then I do next. Would you like to install FortiGate version 7.2.11? I say yes. So they are giving me now some instruction. So the template will be available on the firewall category. So here, so usage default username is admin. There is no password. So this is the default settings for all FortiGate appliance that you have on GNS3. So generally there's an admin username but no password. So a reminder here is that FortiGate version 7.0.0 and above require 2 gig of RAM to run. FortiGate version higher than 7.2.0 trial license is very restrictive, not recommended for use. So we are actually on a 7.2.11. So actually the software or the appliance that we have uploaded will have a very restrictive the trial license will be very restrictive. So in the another video I will show you how to download previous version of FortiGate. Most of the time the previous version of FortiGate, because from here, let me just complete this one. So I will say like finish here. Okay, the appliance has been installed and template name has been successfully created. So I'll say okay. So from here we have our appliance 7.2.11 that has been created. So from here now we can create a new project and we can deploy this. We can add this 7.2.11 as an appliance on our network topology. So as I was saying about the previous version. So what you need to pay attention here is that on the FortiCloud website, the latest version that are available are either 7.6 or 7.4, and the earlier version that they provide here are starting at 7.2.10.11. But from what we saw when uploading this latest version, that the earlier version that they are proposing here is that all these versions here will have very restrictive trial license. But what I also know is that the version that are prior or we say earlier than 7.2.0, those versions have very interesting trial licenses with full functionalities that we can use in our environment. So on this, you cannot have these previous versions here. You need to have a company FortiGate account to get access to previous version of FortiGate appliances, like version like 7.0, version like 6.7, 5. Something, all those previous versions that have full complete trial license, you have them on company FortiCloud company account. But I have some copies of these images or these FortiGate appliances on my storage. So if you need these appliances or you need these previous versions, you can just ping me on send me a comment. I can provide you previous versions. So I have like 7.15, 7.0, 7.10, 7.15, 6, 7, and I can also so I have another account, company related account, that I can download information related to this. So just let me know if you need this information. I can provide this to you. So this complete this video. So guys, see you in the next video where we'll see how to deploy a new project, add appliances, and do some comparison to see what is the suitable license that we can use to perform our lab environment. So guys, see you in the next video.